my brother just remembered the one about Parson and the Parrot. Do you remember the story of Parson and the Parrot? The good parrot and the bad parrot. So this is the case of two parrots and the parson. The glade. Okay. And a person who wanted to be mischievous. So yes, the mischievous person swap Parson's parrot, and Parson's parrot was filled with the Holy Ghost and fire. Yes. And the mischievous person's parrot is a bit like Merville Rattingham Myers Tomlinson. Some days it is very good, and other days it is, oh my God. Yeah, no? So this is what I understand. Remember, I wasn't there. Allegedly. I was not there. It's a story that has been told down the ages in my culture. So now, the mysterious person has swapped the parrot for Parson's religious parrot. And the mysterious person parrot, you will hear what that parrot does. So Parson was driving along, nicely along the road. you see how Roberta plot against me, like the mysterious person and the parrot. Okay. Wank, wank. So Parson was driving along nicely along the road until they came to the corner. What did the parrot say, Robert? On fire. What did the parrot say, man B? He misbehaved. So should I say how the parrot misbehaved? In swear. And you know what that swearing was? So my brother won't let those sounds come out of his mouth. But I am open-minded enough that when I want to tell a story, it has to be told for good effect. Remember now, you know, I do not drive. Yeah? So whatever I'm saying in good faith. So this is Parrot now. And Parson driving along nicely. Yeah? This was Parson driving along nicely, I'm assuming. Remember, I don't drive. When here, this is Parson Parrot. Remember, it's not Parson Parrot. It was swapped. And the parrot started to bawl out, "Corners, Parson. Corners, Parson." When Parson take the other corners. Let me see if there's any children who would understand. When Parson take the other corners, now here, parrot, corners to Ross, Parson. Remember, I wasn't there, allegedly. So if there's anybody telling lies on a parrot, it's not me. It's a story coming down the ages. Happy with that, Brother Robert?
Never heard it.
You never heard it before. Now you hear it. You want me to say it again? So this would be the car that Parson would be driving. And that was the parrot saying, "Corners to Ross, Parson." There's a bad word law in Jamaica. Don't let anybody. It's my mother tongue, okay? Over and out.